has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hidalgo County in deep South Texas until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm located 7 miles northeast of Puerto Rico, or 11 miles northwest of San Manuel, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles, including cracked windshields and minor exterior dents can expected. Some damage to crops and trees is expected. Expect minor wind damage to mobile homes, some roofs, siding and some fences. Tree limbs will blow down and small trees will be uprooted. Damage to power lines and some power poles is expected. Locations impacted include Lynn, San Manuel, and Puerto Rico. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows,